Hello everyone, this is Will and today I am going to do workout. And sisimulan natin yung routine natin sa 20 seconds jumping jacks. After that, isusunod natin yung 6 reps incline push-ups. After nun, isusunod natin yung tinatawag nating knee push-ups which are 4 reps. Next will be 4 reps push-ups. And every routine nga pala guys, meron tayong tinatawag na 20 seconds rest or yung pahinga natin na interval. After that, isusunod natin yung wide arms push-ups which are 4 reps. And since we are still a beginner, yun lang muna yung components ng ating sets. We will do another set at sisimulan natin sa incline push-ups. Bali yung dinidevelop nga pala natin dito guys is yung tinatawag nating abdominal muscles or abs. Again, every after the routine, magkakaroon tayo ng 20 seconds rest or interval. Makakatulong yun para hindi mabigla yung ating mga muscles or para hindi sila ma-stress. If you think this video is helpful, please follow, like, and share. After natin ma-accomplish yung dalawang sets, we will do 20 seconds cobra stretch. After that, we will do chest stretch for 20 seconds. That would be all and we are done with our day 1. If you have finished this video, ano pang hinihintay mo? Sign mo na to para sabayan ako. Thank you for watching.